Today we're going to look at the Kaizer Chiefs car collection. On our number one, we have Mfundo Vilakazi. Mfundo drives an expensive VW Golf R car. On number two, we have Mduduzi Shabalala. Mduduzi drives a brand new Hyundai i20 N-Line, which is worth $500,000. On number three, we have Inosio Miguel. Miguel drives a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 4MATIC worth $700,000. On number 4, we have Njabulo Blom. Njabulo Blom drives a Toyota Corolla 2.0 XR CVT. On number 5, we have Ranga Chivaviro. Chivaviro drives a silver VW Golf 7 GTR worth 700,000 rand. On number 6, we have Gaston Serino. Gaston Serino drives a VW Tiguan that is worth 400,000 rand. On our number 7, we have Ashley Duprez. Duprez drives a rapid red VW Golf 8 GTI that is worth 727,000 rand. And on our number 8, we have Brandon Peterson. Brandon Peterson drives a cool Volkswagen Polo. And on our number 9, we have Nkosingphile Ngcobo. Nkosingphile Ngcobo also drives a Toyota Corolla 2.0 XR CVT.